Hello, my name is Logan Anderson. I am a member of group number 2, and this is our use case 5. So, the first part of this exercise told us to research the 17 Sustainable Development Goals and gather IQ and understand the relationships between these Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs. So our first one is no poverty. Our second one is zero hunger. Our third is good health and well-being. Our fourth is quality education. Our fifth is gender equality. Our sixth is clean water and sanitation. Our seventh is affordable and clean energy. Our eighth is decent work and economic growth. Our ninth is industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Our 10th is reduced inequalities. Our 11th is sustainable cities and communities. Our 12th is responsible consumption and production. Our 13th is climate action. Our 14th is life below water. Our 15th is life on land. Our 16th is peace, justice, and strong institution. And our 17th is partnerships for the goals. So then the second part of our exercise asks us to identify the SDGs associated with each analytics storyline. And so we picked 4. We picked responsible consumption and production, sustainable cities and communities, industry, innovation, and infrastructure, and affordable and clean energy in a more roundabout way. So for our responsible consumption and production, we chose the decrease waste during production use case because this is going to allow us to consume and produce in a more sustainable way. Our sustainable cities and communities, we chose, for our use cases, we chose improved customer access to purchase these EVs and increase customer attraction and prevention, as this allows us to rely more on renewable energy as opposed to fossil fuels. For energy, industry, innovation, and infrastructure, our use cases are to improve customer traffic at superchargers, increase our energy storage potential, and increase our energy sourcing efficiency. Because if we can do these, we actually better the infrastructure of the country as a whole, as we're using these superchargers and we're increasing the storage potential so that these superchargers can rely more on renewable energy such as solar as opposed to using fossil fuels. And finally, for affordable and clean energy, which is a roundabout way, our use cases are increase energy storage potential and improve energy sourcing efficiency. If we can increase potential for both storage and the sourcing efficiency, that will allow us to more affordably ourselves produce this energy so that we can then sell it to consumers at a more affordable rate. Then the third part of this exercise asked us to explain our rationale and support it with similar examples in a business setting. So for the responsible consumption and production, honing the way materials are extracted and limiting the amount of fossil fuels used to build both batteries and charging stations will accomplish this. For sustainable cities and communities, clean energy infrastructure will create better air quality for cities, encouraging implementation and also encourages other clean energy practices. For industry, innovation, and infrastructure, building the infrastructure of clean energy sources will make it easier for other organizations to tap into this infrastructure as part of the clean energy movement, increasing its impact so it's not just Tesla using this infrastructure, but more different companies and organizations will be using this energy as opposed to fossil fuels. For the affordable and clean energy, by researching more effective ways to complete the production process and strategically placing charging stations, Tesla can reduce waste, save money, and eventually pass those savings on to the customers. For the fourth part of our exercise, we were to highlight the SDGs in each analytics storyline and in our big data strategy document. So as you can see here, we have stars by all of the different objects on our strategic document that we feel fit into this category. So for our initiatives, improve sustainability efforts to align with customer ideals, In our critical success factors, leverage our local infrastructure initiatives for common purpose. And then for our use cases, we can increase energy storage potential, improve energy sourcing efficiency, improve customer access to purchase vehicles, improve customer traffic at superchargers, decrease waste during production, and increase customer attraction and retention. Thank you.